Hello mga kamamshi! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Nagbibiyahe kami ngayon papunta sa Gozam Beach Resort. Nandito kami ngayon sa summer.
Don't cry.
Say hello kuya ate! Ellie! Makukulit! Makukulit yung tatlo. Ellie, say hello!
Hello.
Ate, say hi.
Hi.
Pupunta kami sa Gozam Beach Resort
P1.
para mag-relax. Mag-relax kami. Dahil nga, hindi biro magpagawa ng bahay. Super stress. Umuulan pa naman. Pero sabi ni Daddy Marco, okay lang. Kaya, gora kami.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about.
So this is our room.
I sleep upstairs. I sleep upstairs. I sleep upstairs. Hi.
Simple.
Yeah.
For one night, it's okay.
For one night.
I like the bed, oh.
That's what I said. For one night, it's okay.
This is mahogany, no?
I want to sleep with you.
Guys, you can hear
Mommy, I want to sleep with
You cannot go up. So cute.
This is mine. I sleep upstairs.
this one is mommy's and daddy's bed.
And I sleep upstairs.
Gusto ni Ellie umakyat.
I sleep with Daddy.
Yeah.
This is the veranda.
So this is the veranda.
I don't go out there sa momo.
Ayun yung swimming pool. Okay lang pang one night. Kasi bukas uuwi naman din kami mga kamamsi. Nakakapagod yung aming biyahe. Ayan ang bata. Hindi pa kami kumain. Nakapag-order na kami mga kamamsi. Yung restaurant nasa baba. Kaya lang gusto kong humiga. Nakakapagod yung biyahe. Gusto ko munang magpahinga. Sabi ko tawagin na lang ako pag nakahanda na yung pagkain. Kami lang ni Ellie ngayon dito sa kwarto na to. Si Daddy Marco at Olivia bumaba. Okay din siya.
I guess to sleep here upstairs.
Yes. Ayun yung pamangking ko.
Mommy can.
So mamaya ulit mga kamamsi.
Here, there's a momo. Hello guys. Today is my party.
Today is your party.
Yes.
Wow, vlogger na ang Ellie.
And we have a candle and fork. Spoon.
Ano?
No fork and
Spoon?
no and plate.
What is that?
It's a toothbrush for tea. Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray!
Good job! It's amazing. It's so cracked.
Say bye-bye now.
Bye bye now.
See you next
See
time.
you next time.
No, look at the camera. Say bye-bye to our viewers. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, our viewers.
Ano?
Miss you.
Viewers.
Viewers.
See you next time.
See you next time. Mommy, this
I love you.
Mama, look, there's a toothbrush there.
There's a toothbrush.
Yes, it's falling down. I flush it.
Okay.
I press it, Mommy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No. Like this.
Bye-bye.
Flying kiss. Vlogger na.
Cracker.
Vlogger.
Cracker.
Ellie. Naku, busy ang bata. Ay, hello. Ha? Swim. Dali, swim. Ha, Daddy, look at the baby. Hello.
Can you swim with me?
Hi.
Can you swim with me?
Hi.
I'm sad.
I have a headache. Gipty, come here.
Daddy, come to me.
Daddy, come to me. Mag-swimming lang muna sila ngayon. Then mamaya pupunta kami kay na ate. Yung panganin namin. Si ate kasi nandito siya sa Giwan. Malapit lang sila dito yung lugar nila. So mag-swimming lang muna sila mga kamamsi.
Punishment time. Come here.
Ellie! Bumili ako ng cake kasi nga pupunta ako sa ate ko
Brownies.
and brownies. Malapit lang kasi sila ate doon sa pinuntahan namin na beach resort. Bibisitahin ko siya kasi matagal matagal kaming hindi nagkita. Simula nung umuwi ako dito. Hindi pa kami nagkita ni ate mga kamamsi, kaya pupuntahan namin siya. Kaya nag-park si Daddy Marco. Ay, ayun. Dili. Punta na kami kay na ate. Si Ellie, tingnan nyo. Knockout. Napagod sa pag-swimming. Pinagluto ko si ate ng ulam. Sinabawan na tinulang isda. Tinulang isda lang at saka pritong isda. Yun lang, hindi ko na pinagluto ng marami si ate para hindi mapagod. Nandito pala kami sa Giwan. Giwan, Eastern Samar. Nandito na kami kay na ate. Oh, give it to auntie, Olivia. Give it to your auntie. Ayan si ate. Get inside, come on. Mother. Welcome.
Welcome home.
Nagibitulula. Ito yung bahay nila, ate.
Welcome to our house.
I was here before.
Yeah. Kuya, give to Lula.
Jimmy, come. Uncle. Sister of Uncle Noel. Dirty. Our hands are dirty.
At least 40.
Auntie.
Tingnan nyo, oh, dagat yung likod dito. Ayan, oh. Maganda, di ba? Nice, daddy.
Catching
Fish. Busy sila. Ano daw ko na? Ano ito yung luluto yan natin?
Pork stick.
Ah,
Ma'am, what sa
busy.
anak mo yung nalinda.
Ah.
You get inside, it's ready. Come.
Damot yung handa.
Oh, usap na ba bigyan niyo?
Busy kasi ano ba? Big anniversary ano ate?
40.
Ika 40 days, yes. Ika 40 days. Nilulubinan. Mauran.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time.
Come here, come here, come here.
Much longer will you suffer?
Come baby. Good morning. Good morning, Ellie. Come. Dito kami sa may dagat.
All your life,
Ate, come here.
be good and inside.
Go to daddy, dali.
Everything that you thought you should.
No, not here.
Do you ever?
Whee! Ayun yung dalawa, si kuya natin. Ate, come here. Ate. So bago kami umalis dito, mag-swimming muna. Come, ate, come here.
Did your time? How much longer will you suffer in this life? Don't give up.
Hello.
Just hold on tight.
You want the sample?
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should.
O magsisimba.
Didn't seem to do you any good.
Sisimba ha? May sulangan? Ah. Waray lakuan na gatas.
Oo, wala nang dapat.
Ah, iti ba kasi may gatas condensed.
I know you've done your part. It's not
Taho
fair.
dito sa island.
You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? Don't give up. Just hold on
Thank you, ah.
tight.
Taho.
It'll be
Ano to niya? Pinipig?
Opo. Pagpunta ng 10.
Okay.
Pinipig. Ah, I think wala.
You want pinipig also? Ice cream? May sipong ka na oh.
I want pink ice cream.
Pink?
10.
I want pink ice cream.
White one?
Purple. Tapos yung mango.
May pink?
Wala. Yellow lang. Mango lang.
Bakit ka maghanap ng pink na ice cream?
orange.
Which one? Orange?
No.
The chocolate. You want pinipig?
Pinipig?
There's a pinipig. Ikaw, Gipti.
Come, Ellie. Mommy, I want this one strawberry.
Oh, may daka kuya strawberry.
Available.
Ito, complicated man ang bata-batuta.
Ano yung lima? Yellow one. Mango.
No, I don't want mango.
Chocolate. Pinipig daw, kuya. Try
No,
iya.
this one. Mommy, I want that one. I want my flavor.
Pinipig. Oh, this one, chocolate.
No, I don't want chocolate. This one.
Ube, ano? Ube ito?
Oh, purple.
Sige daw, try daw kuya. Kaya guy, ka-complicated man namon bata-batuta. Ice cream dito sa dagat.
This one.
No.
The white one.
No, no. The white one, Mommy. I don't know. You want the vanilla?
Purple. Ah, yeah, this one, oh, vanilla.
No, I want this one, Mommy.
Wala ito.
Wala nga. Wala. Wala kang ice cream. Ako kuya, pinipig mo sa.
It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. I know you tried so